Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is the gearhead part of my life because I just can't stop working on vehicles. First I'm going to show you a no crank, no start issue on these type of General Motors products. And on this particular one we're working with a 2004 Pontiac Grand Am GT. Now, one little quick word from our sponsor, which is of course me. I'm going to go through all this so you can always pause it. We have award-winning head gasket sealers, hyper flushes, fuel system cleaners. Matter of fact, after every 7 tankfuls of gas, Martin Brodell, because this is featured on the Martin Brodell show, he saves around $90. This isn't your father's Oldsmobile, okay? I'm talking about our products. Well, anyway, there's a no crank, no start issue on this car. Did it have to do with a recall? Because I can't get factory recalls on any car through my software. This ignition system was bad. It was recalled. The recall was done by General Motors, and they even scotch taped it in there. Real shoddy work. But I personally replaced the ignition switch. A real pain. Just to let you know, we did a relearn code on it. There's 2 ways to do it. There's an emergency relearn and there's a regular relearn. It takes about 30 minutes, okay? Now, you might have think it's the BCU, the BCU or the BCM. Well, on this particular car, the BCU, BCM is not on the passenger side. On this 2004, it is on the driver's side, right along with the neutral safety switch. Was that the problem? No. And you can get bypass resistors for the VATs, and you can get those resistors for about $5 on Amazon. It's not a whole lot of money. But this car was a real pain. But it come to find out, in the end, first off, it had everything to do, finally, the last problem, with the fuse box. You take this off, you sand it down real good, you check all your relays, you deox them, and you should be good to go. This car runs like a dream. So I just wanted to save you technicians a lot of time and a lot of nonsense, okay? Sometimes you overlook the obvious, but in this case in point, it was the ignition switch, and it wasn't any of the other stuff I mentioned, and it had everything to do with this. Now, you can get a relay tester from Amazon, or you can test them with a DMM, or you could do exactly what I did, which was clean everything off and sand down this ground point right here. Make sure all your connections are tight, and you will be good to go, as illustrated here. And you guys can always call me at
859-428-7342.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, guys. Excuse me, I still love cars, can't seem to get it out of my system. But on our next video, I'm going to show you guys how to bypass a Mercedes-Benz Airmatic system, and you do it the easy way, and you can even avoid coilovers. I've been a mechanic for many years, and I'm here to help you. This is free information, and please, and if you have hair loss issues, please visit
hairfuelonline.com.
I'm also a trichologist. So once again, that phone number is
859-428-7342.
And on your General Motors no crank, no start issue, don't neglect the relay box. And make sure your customer puts a plastic cover on there, because the last thing you want is moisture or rain coming up from the engine into this box. That's a no-no. Okay, with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and you have a pleasant day.